how to fix TikTok no internet connection problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then you have to open the networks and wireless like this. And now all what you want to do here is enable the airplane mode and then disable it again. And now last thing you want to do, open the apps manager on your phone. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on TikTok right here as you can see, and then click on force stop. And then last thing you want to do now is reopen TikTok and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.